channel. Today, we'll be talking about ecosystem and their components. They're saying that there's no man in island, so it means nobody lives alone. So come with me and enjoy the journey.
Hi everyone, I am here now at Milk Station in So I've been thinking to make a new video which is educational and can really help to students. So I'm thinking that it will be ecosystem and their components. As you can see, I'm surrounded with trees in Milk Station. People. And they also have here icons which is I haven't seen pa kay wala ako meet there down there. And just be with me and enjoy the journey.
What is an ecosystem? The word ecosystem can be split into two words, like ecological and system. Ecological refers to a relationship between living things and where it lives. For example, a monkey lives on a tree for protection. It lives in the forest because the forest provides all the food they need. And a system, it is something that you do over and over. It is similar to daily routine like going to school, waking up early, going to work, and etc. When you combine these two words, you come up with ecosystem.
So everything's around you makes up the environment. For example, in your home, your parents, your brothers, sisters, friends, and relatives are the people in your environment. Dogs, cats, lizards, ants, cows, goats, and also the plants or other living things in your environment. All these living things are part of the biotic environment. You probably see the water in the river, creek, or from the faucet. You see stones and rocks on the ground. You see soil on the road and you walk on. They're all non-living things. They are called the biotic components of the environment. The biotic and abiotic components of environment interact constantly with each other. A stable environment where the living and non-living things interact with one another is called ecosystem.
So an ecosystem, it can be a small ecosystem and a large ecosystem. In a small ecosystem, we have like plants in a plot, aquarium, tree, or orchid in a tree. In a large ecosystem, we have river, lakes, forests. Those are some examples.
So these are the examples of biotic and abiotic factors in the living. Examples, there are plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. On the other hand, non-living examples are water, sunlight, soil, air, and temperature. Each species occupies a specific area and plays a particular role in an ecosystem. The place where species live and grow is called habitat. Different species often share the same habitat. For example, a bird and a monkey may live in the same tree in the forest, yet these animals have different roles within their habitats. The role of function of species in its habitat is called niche. Organisms of the same species that live together and reproduce in a particular area at a given time is referred to as population. Groups of different populations that live together in the same area and depend on each other for food is called community.
The pictures show how an ecosystem forms from different levels of organization. The survival of an organism in an ecosystem depends on the delicate balance of energy, food, and other factors. For example, the production of food by green plants gives off oxygen and byproduct. Oxygen is a gas that's needed by animals to live. Another example is the role of water-dwelling decomposer bacteria that breaks down dead animals and plants. They make rivers and lakes clean. Other processes that take place in soil help in plant growth. Each species depends on one another in several ways. Animals depend on plants for food and oxygen. Plants depend on bacteria in soil. Bacteria depend on decaying bodies of plants and animals. Those are the different interactions in an ecosystem shown in the picture. Both biotic and abiotic components are important in ecosystem because biotic components depend not only on one another but also on abiotic components such as air, soil, water in order to meet their needs for food, shelter, and protection. We need to protect our natural ecosystems because of the many benefits that we derive from them. These ecosystems are resources of organisms that provide us with food and shelter. Natural ecosystems also protect us from danger. For example, the trees in the forest prevent soil erosion and thus protects us from floods. Any damage done to natural ecosystem will also have adverse effects on humans. So till next time, bye!